all ready. I have a sleek bun, I have worn my jogger set. I'll show you the final outfit soon. So yes, final reveal that I am traveling very soon. I am traveling to Kuwait. So it's not a proper trip kind of thing, but it was a very sudden plan that we had come across, and we are going to Kuwait now. I will show you everything. I'm going to vlog everything. After 10 long years I'm going to Kuwait, and this was a very sudden plan. It's not as if we had planned this already. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's just quickly dive into the video. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. It's a jogger set. This is something that I got from West Side. क्योंकि थोड़ी बहुत ठंडी भी लगती है, तो I think this is perfect. Like I have the sweatshirt, I have my joggers, I'm all comfy. Now I'm just gonna wear my shoes, and then we're gonna leave. Having our coffee, and right now we're going to Miniso because मुझे wet wipes चाहिए. So let's see if we get it over here. It's 8:30 right now. We left at 4 and we're still stuck in traffic. Traffic is really bad, and now it's getting too much. Our body is literally aching after sitting for such a long time. But yeah, the traffic is really bad right now. I think we will reach the airport around 11 o'clock probably, and I'll update you then. So finally we reached the airport, and it is 10:30, right? It's 10:20. Finally we reached the airport after such a massive traffic. Now we're gonna go and get all of the formalities done, and then I'll get back. So right now we're at the airport. We're waiting for the check-in to happen. We have to wait for half an hour. We have to wait half an hour more for the check-in to happen. So we're still figuring our way out because all of us are hungry. So let's see what we can do about it. क्या कर सकते, रुकना ही पड़ेगा. It's 1 a.m. right now. We're sitting at our gate. So the whole day was somehow very like late in general. Like we reached the airport, like we left at 4, then there was heavy traffic, but we reached on time. Then we had to wait for the check-in because the check-in would start half an hour later. So then we waited for half an hour. Then once the check-in was over, we decided to have food. And for food, again we went to a lot of places, but सब खत्म हो गया था because it was post 12. उसके बाद जहाँ पे मिला वहाँ पे KFC के यहाँ पे they asked us to wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. फिर हम रुके, फिर हमने ऑर्डर किया. मीडियोकर खाना था, बिल्कुल भी अच्छा सर्विस नहीं था. And now we are waiting over here, sitting at our gate, and there's 1.5 hours more. बहुत नींद आ रही है, बहुत टायर्ड फील कर रहे हैं, but we can't even sleep. So yeah, that was the update.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to Kuwait. So if you're wondering why I stopped the vlog directly in the airport after boarding the flight, that was because all of us were sleep deprived, and most of the times I tend to get a lot of crankiness, and I didn't want to bring that energy on the vlog. So that's exactly why I didn't shoot anything. But we're here in Kuwait now. Again, as I mentioned, we're not here to do any sort of touristy thing or visit places because honestly there isn't like a lot to see, but we're just here to have that sort of relaxation and calm kind of energy, and just do a little bit of shopping and just enjoy our stay over here. So right now, like after our flight, by the way, landed early. Then we did all of the immigration, we got our baggage, we came back home, all of us slept, and we had some amazing coffee. Now we're gonna have our breakfast. and we're having Maggie for breakfast. And I remember mentioning that Gulf ka Maggie is different from the Maggie that we get in India. So we're gonna have that quickly, and then we'll go out to Lulu for some shopping. And I'm sure if you've seen my Dubai vlogs, you know that Lulu is like a supermarket store over here for all of your grocery or any sort of item that you want, you will find it in Lulu. So we'll go for that. So look who's cooking Maggie today for us. It's only the two of us because mom and dad are having some South Indian breakfast जो हमको बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए था because we are done with South Indian food. तो हमने सोचा कि हम मैगी खाते हैं. Obviously I'm also cheating on my diet थोड़ा सा, but ठीक है अभी मैं travel कर रही हूँ तो I'm taking that sort of मतलब relaxation kind of thing. And we have the Maggie ready, a recliner seat, and she's also having. This is my first shirt that I'm trying. It looks very good. It's perfect for formal wear and also very solid color. And then I have obviously worn these pants. The fitting is very good. Although I thought that it won't fit me, but it's fitting really well. And here's from the shirt and Arya has ordered the chicken mac. I have ordered the Meg spicy chicken. Meg chicken क्यों लिखा? Meg spicy chicken था ना? आपका भी Meg chicken लिखा है ना? He is also having the chicken mac. Gone to Lulu and we also went to Max, we also went to Red Tag just to see what's the collection, and I also found some amazing pieces from Max, but it is so damn hot here. It's like a mix. It's very hot once you step outside, and then it's very cold once you get inside the store. So there's nothing normal or something in between. But yeah, it was like a very good experience shopping. We had McDonald's. Now we're back home. We're all tired now and we're not sure what we're gonna do for the evening, but yeah, it was like a fun good day. But because of the heat, your energy just gets completely drained off, so all of us are really tired. So probably we'll just rest and then we'll plan what to do probably for tomorrow. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you everything that I've got from Lulu. Now there are a lot of grocery items that I've got. The main thing, the highlight is this, because our straightener is not working anymore and I saw this one and the saleswoman actually recommended it and she was like, I'll show you and I'll also attach the video of the trial. It was very good because it's a 2-in-1 kind of product. This also straightens your hair but also helps with curling. I really wanted a good straightener because my hair is already very curly, so I wanted something that can give me those beachy waves or just give me that flat ironed hair, and that's exactly why I went ahead with this. Next is this amazing soft blanket that we've got. Again, because all of us are staying together, we wanted like one more blanket because it's very cold indoors and extremely hot outdoors. So because we are in AC 24/7, I wanted like a very good and thick blanket, and this is first of all very soft. The color is so beautiful. It has that velvety touch to it, and this is by Maple Leaf Home. Again, this is quite big as well. I absolutely loved it. Next is this, which is a memory foam pillow. Basically, this is for people who have a lot of neck issues. Basically, this is how this looks like. I have put in a pillow cover to it, but this is the texture. It is in itself is very comfortable. It's very cushiony. I don't know if this is available in India, but if you are someone who has like a lot of sleep issues, if you have a lot of neck pain, this is the perfect pillow to go ahead with to get that comfortable sleep. Next are these soft microfiber towels that I got because we're going to be washing our hair over here, and these are the best to get rid of all of the water from your hair. It soaks the water really well. That's exactly why I got this one. And lastly, one more item, which is a purse. I've already shown you my clothes, so I'm not going to be repeating that. I'll just quickly show you the purse that my sister got for herself. This is the purse that I got. If you see, it's a very solid color, and the reason why she got this is to give that pop of color to a plain basic outfit. So initially she was really dicey because of the glacy effect to it and because of the bright red color, but then given that she wears a lot of basic outfits, she thought that this would really go well with all of those outfits, and I genuinely love it. It looks so bougie. So that was all of the items. This was like a very mini haul that I showed to you guys. There are a lot of items that were groceries mainly, so I'm not going to be showing you that, but these were some items that I really loved, especially that solid olive color shirt that I got for myself. I just, the moment I entered the store and I saw that shirt, I knew that I wanted it. It was that good. The quality is also very good. It's breathable. It looks very classy, and it's gonna basically uplift my whole outfit. So, yeah, that was a mini haul.